Hello everyone, I'm Joe Madrano for Senior Moments. This winter has been so cold and we could use warm weather right now, but while we're waiting for the spring to come, turn on TV and enjoy Senior Moments. Senior Moments covers events and activities at senior centers in the Ann Arbor, Ypsilanti area, such as the Ann Arbor Senior Center, Turner Senior Resource Center, the Pittsfield Senior Center, and the Ann Arbor Community Center. Also, the show provides valuable information for senior citizens on such issues as health, wealth, finance, and entertainment. The program premieres on the last Sunday of the month, with the reruns on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 11 a.m. and 5 p.m., Saturdays at 9 a.m., and Sundays at 5 p.m. on CTN Channel 19 for a month. As the long winter is about to be over, you can't wait to go outside. But wait, finish watching the show first, because the spring can also wait for you anytime soon.
Five foot two, eyes of blue. Oh, what those 5 foot could do. Has anybody seen my gal? Turned up nose, turned down hose, never had no other beaux. Anybody seen my gal? Well, if you run it to my 5 foot two, all covered with furs, diamond rings and all those things, bet your life it isn't her. Could she love? Could she woo? Could she coo? Has anybody seen my gal? Well, if you run into my 5 foot two, all covered with furs, diamond rings and all those things, bet your life it isn't her. Could she love? Could she woo? Could she coo? Has anybody seen my gal? Well, I'm sitting on top of the world, just rolling along. I'm quitting the blues of the world, just singing a song. I just called the parson, hey, par, get ready to call. Just like Humpty Dumpty, I'm gonna fall. I'm sitting on top of the world, just rolling along. Glory, hallelujah, I just called the parson. Hey, par, get ready to call. Just like Humpty Dumpty, I'm gonna fall. I'm sitting on top of the world, just rolling along. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. No, don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me till I come marching home. Don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me. No, don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me till I come marching home. I just got word from a guy who heard from a guy next door to me. A girl he met just loves to pet, she fits you to a T. You don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. No, don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me till I come marching home.
she stepped away from me, and this she did say, it will not be long, love, till our wedding day. As she stepped away from me, as she moved through the fair, and fondly I watched her move here and move there, and she made her way homeward with one star away, as the swan in evening moves over the lake. Last night she came to me, my dead love came in, so softly she entered that her feet made no din, and she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, it will not be long, love, till our wedding day.
We are here at Story Point in Saline, Michigan, and we're in the Candlewick Bristow kitchen with Executive Chef Kevin.
Hello.
Hi, so what are you going to be preparing for us today?
So we're going to be making the vegetable pad thai that's on our menu this week. It's a vegetarian dish. It's gluten-free, and it's tailored to the needs and the requests of our residents. So I have a couple of residents that are gluten-free. They love Asian food, noodle dishes. So we've got rice noodles in it, and it's fully vegetarian. So
All right, I'm going to back up out of your way, and
I'm gonna get going
kitchen's
here.
yours.
We got our pan good and hot, preheated, a little bit of oil in the pan. We're gonna saute some vegetables. We got julienne zucchini, julienne red pepper. These are snow peas. We julienne them. And carrots. We got 3 different color carrots in here. It's a really colorful dish. You know, a little bit of scallions. It's a really quick dish too. So while those vegetables get cooking, we're going to start our egg. This dish is garnished with a over easy egg. A little protein, and the yolk makes part of the sauce component.
Okay.
Those going. I'm going to put a little bit of cilantro. Save the rest for garnish. I'm going to put a little bit of peanut. Save the rest for garnish. Egg going. The vegetables are kind of sweated down. We're going to add our rice noodles. So I don't think I want to put all these in there. These are rice noodles that are just pre-cooked and then shocked in ice water so that they're ready to go. And we can cook them quick at service time. can see it's a really vegetable-heavy dish. It's mostly
But it's very pretty.
julienne vegetables. Looks like our egg's ready to flip. There we go. All right, and the sauce component for this, just 3 items. So you got some fresh lemon juice, low sodium soy sauce, and a little bit of ketchup, believe it or not.
So whose recipe is this?
This is my recipe. I develop all the recipes for our menu, and it's just all based on you know, resident feedback and what our residents want here in Saline. You know, what works in, you know, northern Michigan doesn't necessarily work here in the Ann Arbor area. So you have to. Our company basically tailors all of our recipes on our residents at the individual properties.
Very nice.
All right, so to plate this up, put it in here. I like to give it a little bit of a twist to get a little bit of height out of it. We got our over easy egg. And we're gonna garnish it with some cilantro and some chopped peanuts.
Oh, lovely.
All right, there we go. That's it. All right, that's it. Rainbow vegetable pad thai.
Well, thank you, Chef, very much. And thank you again for inviting us to your kitchen.
Oh, thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us on Senior Moments. I hope you've enjoyed the show. I'm Joe Madrano. Happy St. Patty's Day.